I'm Ashley Daramola. I also go by ArtzyBella. I'm the founder of ArtzyBella Studio and Shop, and our mission is to empower people to live creatively using art making for stress relief. So we opened in 2016, and we opened a brick and mortar in our old neighborhood of East Point, and we did paint parties here and art classes. We've had to pause on people coming in and out of the space right now. But we pivoted last year through participation in Georgia State's Main Street Seed Fund. And so now from that pivot, we've developed our first product, which is a monthly subscription box with art activities to help people learn how to use art therapeutically. We developed the Bella Box, which includes 2-3 art activities that'll change every month. They're fun, they're easy to use, and they teach you how to use the process of manipulating art materials and turning them into projects that allowed you to express yourself visually where words might not be enough, just to relieve stress from just the process of painting or working with clay. And so I'm taking a lot of the research that I've done, a lot of the clinical background I have as I pursue my license in art therapy, and the work that I've done in mental health, and putting that all in a box and giving it to people to use at home.